Okay, so fans are going. Let's turn it on. It's got a few settings. Back off again. And they're able to, I can set it like that and just lock her into place like that against the wall. And then you can also tilt it up and down like that. So that's on the first setting, so it's actually quite quiet. It's also got a timer as well. And the max air fan is also wired in. So we'll get that going. So turn the fan on. And that's that going. Down. So yeah, all working. Hi, my name's Pauline and welcome to our channel. So today we're going to install the Sirocco 2 fans just over our bed. So I've got 2, so we'll see how easy or hard they are to install. They look quite, the instructions looks really easy to follow, so hopefully, fingers crossed, I don't have any troubles. So in the box we have a set of instructions, quite detailed, so quite happy with that. We've got a backing plate and some mounts, screw mounts to bolt it to this bracket. It also comes with a couple of joining wires. I have to solder the ends of them onto the wire and then run them down into the battery. So that's in the box included. Comes with a sticky plate as well, and the actual fan. Put it up that way. It mounts here, and then it can swivel. It can swivel here, and it can lock in, and then you can actually unclick it and lock it, and so it's locked into this, either side. So I'll show you. You can lock it in like that, so it's locked against the wall, so it doesn't fly around. So quite light. Yeah. So I'll make a start. If you've got trouble getting the nut in the little hex, I don't know what you call that, but anyway, if you're having trouble getting the hex nut, just screw it onto the bolt and then just drop her in the hole and undo it out. It'll stay in there. I had trouble sitting them in, so yeah. Okay, finished the installing of the two fans. Was relatively easy to do, and it's all wired into the fuse panel under the bed. So great job for me. Actually, they work quite well. Nice and cool. We'll see on a really hot day. So now we've got the two side windows that we can leave open, the fans, and the max air is now all wired in. And I've just pinned the remote for the max air just there. A couple of little odds and ends jobs been done. So yeah, good.